Okay, we're going to first install Java. If you're a Mac user, you may need to check to see if Java is installed on your computer. Okay. If you need to install Java, you type in, let's go to the website java.sun.com. Alright, when you go to Java, type in java.sun.com, it redirects you to another website. You can see where it says top downloads, Java SE. SE stands for Standard Edition. Click on that. And then you can choose to get the latest edition. The one we're going to get is the Java Development Kit. That's what you need to have, the Java Development Kit. And it includes the complete GRE plus tools for developing, debugging, and monitoring Java applications. So you can choose to download right there. That's the one that you would have. Alright, there are different versions for Mac and Windows, so you choose the appropriate one, and it gives you some installation guide here. Okay. After you download and install Java, you then need to download your IDE, Integrated Development Environment. And the one that we use in class is jgrasp.com. So you go type in jgrasp.com. And then you would choose to download jgrasp. There are different versions here, and you make sure you choose the one for your computer. Okay. Another option is Dr. Java, drjava.org. And a lot of my Mac users say that they prefer this one. So download Mac OS here. Download the version for Mac. And then the third option is textpad.com. And this is another version. So in our lab, in the library, you should have options of JGrasp, TextPad, or Dr. Java. So either one of those will allow you to type in your code and to compile your program. Okay. Once you have JGrasp or one of your IDEs installed, you just open it up. You file New Java. And now you can type in your first program. I'm going to type it in, public class hello. I'm going to name it with a capital H for hello. We'll see that this is a common naming convention, is to make our class names begin with a capital letter. Then public static void main string args. And I'm going to type in a sample statement, system.out.println hello world. Okay, and so you'll see that because I'm using an IDE, it makes it some of the reserved words appear in special colors, and it has different meanings here, showing different meanings by the different colors. All right, to compile this code, I click on the green plus sign. It reminds me I need to save it, and it saves it in the proper name as a hello.java. The file name matches the class hello.java, and then I do save. And now I have to press the plus sign again to compile it. At the bottom you see where it says it's being compiled. And then I choose the red running man to run my application. I run it, and the output displays at the bottom. If for any reason there was a compilation error message, say that I forgot to have my quotation marks, I would compile it. You get types of error messages, different syntax error messages that will display. Unclosed string literal on line number 6. It also has a semicolon expected. So I could choose the first one, solve the first problem here. and I put the quotation mark there. I have to recompile the code, and now it says complete. It lets me know that it compiled correctly. After running the code, I need to make sure I add the proper documentation to demonstrate that this program worked correctly. I'm just going to copy Control-C, the output, and I'm at the bottom of my code. I'm going to place the, I'm copying the output that was produced here. So that when I print out my document, my output is all displayed. It saves papers instead of having to print a separate page. Also at the top, I'm going to include the proper programmer's documentation. You include your name, the date, and the purpose of the code. And you also need to include your academic honesty statement. This will be found on your Georgia View website, the D2L website. I am the sole author of this program and did not receive any help or visit any websites. Okay. So after that's there, just make sure you compile it again to make sure there are no errors that have been introduced, and you're ready to print your document.